Janine and Jericho latest updates. Actress, busy sa shooting. Busy nga ang multi-awarded actress sa kanyang taping kung saan hindi pa idinidetalye ang tungkol dito. Kamakailan ay nagbahagi ang dalaga ng larawan sa shooting kung saan may caption na Day 28. Samantala, may ibinahagi ring larawan si Janine na may caption na Our Old Neighbor. May isa pang ipinost si Janine na tanging shoot got packed up today. So, back with Coachy at Coach Inigo ang naging caption ng dalaga. Samantala, kamakailan ay nagbahagi naman ang kapamilya actor na si Jericho Rosales ng short video sa kanyang Instagram story kung saan may bike at may caption na Thank you for picking me up once again. Naging busy rin ang aktor kamakailan sa pag-attend nila sa All Aboard Expo 2025 Gaming Lives sa Quezon City kung saan nakipaglaro pa sila sa mga naroroon na tila nag-enjoy ang lahat. Kasama ni Eko ang ilang pang cast sa movie na Quezon na sina Mon Confiado at Chris Villanueva.
I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Hindi lalaki ko pinihiyan dun sa kanto.
And hello to our amazing actors. Are you ready to play that sound game? Okay. We are going to invite a couple of words. We have actions, nature, or animals. Plants doesn't make sound. Unahan tong dalawang team na to. Yes.
Cricket!
Monkey!
Bird!
Hindi pa cricket.
Train.
Okay.
Those are people and places.
People and places.
Yes.
Ikaw naman, Mon! Blowing!
Ready?
Cinemas, October 2025, Quezon, the movie.
So guys, eto nga ang pinaka-latest updates ngayon sa magkasintahang sina Janine at Jericho. Kaya abang-abang pa tayo sa mga maiinit na pasabog ng magkasintahan. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.